A stylus consists of a threaded base, a stem, and a sphere. Choosing the correct materials for your stylus is important to ensure success in your application, and itpstyli has many different materials from which to choose. For your threaded base options, we have titanium and stainless steel. We use primarily titanium for its strength and thermal properties, and also for its superior stiffness to weight ratio. Stainless steel bases are a less expensive option and are used when the base and stem are manufactured as a single piece. When it comes to stem materials, itpstyli provides several options. Tungsten carbide is the most common stem material for CMM applications. The deflection resistance and excellent stiffness support most applications at relatively stable temperatures. Stainless steel provides high rigidity for standard applications in which weight or overall length are not an issue. Despite its lightweight benefits, aluminum is not recommended for use in bases or stems due to its relatively soft properties and poor thermal stability. Ceramic stems are lightweight, solid, and thermally stable. They're ideal for protecting the probe head from crashes and are commonly used in CNC machine centers. Carbon fiber is the best material for long extensions and is ideal for uncontrolled environments with fluctuating temperatures. Titanium is our material of choice for manufacturing threaded bases due to its hardness and superb rigidity. Titanium also has a very good weight to rigidity ratio. As far as available sphere materials, synthetic ruby is the most widely used. It is ideal for both point-to-point measuring and for scanning on many materials. Although when measuring aluminum with ruby, be sure to clean the surface regularly as aluminum particles tend to build up, which can cause inaccurate measurements. Silicon nitride is nearly as hard as ruby and is slightly more expensive, but its chemical composition tends to resist aluminum particle buildup, making it the ideal choice for aluminum scanning. Zirconia oxide spheres are recommended for scanning cast iron or other abrasive material because of its unique friction-reducing surface. We also offer tungsten carbide spheres, which are often used on manual articulating arm measurement machines because of its superior impact resistance. Carbide spheres can also be braze welded to the stem for increased durability, though its form and surface are inferior as compared to other materials. Call or visit itpstyli.com to learn more about which materials best suit your needs.